Three, two, one.
Weasel.
You leading this show.
Oh, I am?
Wanna do intros?
I have
You
that.
gotta just say.
I have that intro video thing that I put together. That I mean, you guys apparently don't think it's me.
I mean, I just don't believe it's you.
Why, bro?
The gameplay looks too solid.
You think I will just clip randos videos, make myself look good?
Maybe.
Oh my god. You said maybe. Alright, I got proof. I got proof that it's me, alright?
What's your proof?
I get just the edit that I did before, so I have the cinematic bars on the one that I sent you guys, which is covering up my name.
Oh, okay. So you got the edit that you stole it from.
No. Oh my god.
Got you. That's okay.
You know,
Okay, stolen gameplay valor. I get it.
Let's get it there, bro. Because, I mean, if I'm gonna be completely honest, most of the stuff that you do is
Dude, you know, I was thinking the same. That one video you put out is straight trash.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was wondering, like, if you was ever gonna put anything else, but with that dumpster fire, I don't blame you for not posting nothing else.
You know, haters are gonna hate. Isn't that what you say?
Dude, I'm sucking it up right now.
Okay, I got enough room on my back.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, man.
I can't wait to carry you. You pick. You lead us into this one, Cap.
Oh, am I? Okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna go right here. Okay. Well, never mind. I just fell.
You say right here, but don't mark nothing.
Right. My bad. We're gonna go over here. Where you get, broski?
I'm heading that way.
Alright.
About to drop right here, though.
What are my movements, you know? You see it?
About time.
Right?
Sit-
Show me what you got. Show me what. Just move. If you got no one, just move. It's all I want to see some movement. I'm not seeing enough movement.
Show me something. What you got?
Ah.
Oh, spin?
Nope.
I seen the spin.
Oh yeah, you see it. You see it.
That's what's up, man.
Watch this. Look what I can do. Watch this. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
you got a slide?
Yes, sir. I'm getting there.
Ain't nobody
I
messing
actually
with
thought
him.
about getting there and turn the mic.
Yeah, I was looking at him today.
Just because, I mean, not saying like my mic is trash.
I mean, it's pretty trash. You should hear it.
Wow. Alright, since we're just going balls to the wall. I hate you. I'm just
Oh, dude.
That was just a huge jump. You hit too hard. On the mic. Dude, you are moving, man. And,
Man, I gotta catch up.
you know what's crazy? I don't see anybody over here. Good.
Yeah, me neither. I'm fixing to head out. Today.
Sir. I did. Oh man. They're after us, bro. They got eyes on us. RPG now.
Right.
That would suck. Airfield, bro. That's where we're headed, bro. Nice. Oh, nice.
Nice.
I turn on radio?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I got you.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig now. If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast.
really thought we were going to airport.
Yeah, I don't. You know, I kind of got lost here. I think I want this.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Oh,
Yes.
we look like Saints Row right now. You know what I'm talking about?
By the off-brand GTA.
Yeah. The blue game, whatever they were called.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're so slow. I'm the one getting in there before you. I'm gonna die. Oh, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Yep. Downed him.
Oh shoot! Yep, I'm down.
Bruh.
Dude, I changed seats. Oh, please. When it comes to when your back's against the wall and you got nobody left but yourself, take your kneecaps out. Trust me. Wow, that's embarrassing.
Yeah, shit. Here's some gunshots this way.
Oh shoot, this guy's waiting on me. Get off me.
Here you got a whole team on you.
Yep, I see.
Help is on the way, dear!
I still got you down, I don't care.
No. Where they at?
I should have thrown us with 8 and taking us all out. Good work, bro. Get in there. Get in there.
Hey, suck my nuts.
That's what I'm talking about.
You see that? Did you see that?
I mean, it was alright.
You see that revenge I just got for you?
It's pretty sweet. Alright, come back. Yep.
We got Bertha. We can take again. Try to head back towards old airfield.
Wow, alright. I hope you trip. Yep. You know what? I don't hope you trip. I hope you get let's see. Yep, now they all know where we are. That's cool. Oh, I'll take that, thanks.
Requesting recon.
Yeah, you take it. You probably gonna need it.
Oh, you think so?
Oh, I know so.
Let's see. Alright. You get him? You get him? I'm about to freaking dive on my own foot. It's like, bro, get in there. God. Oh yeah, that's nice. Smart, Briggs.
Did I get him?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, that was a dumb question. Forgot you were goated.
Goated. That's right. Hey, I appreciate that.
You know what I would appreciate?
Not sucking so much.
Wow. Oh yeah, take this again. Yeah, thanks. I like this. Oh, like Dude, how are those beans, bro?
Dude, them beans were lit.
Oh, not bad.
Did you talk about them?
We
Did he
did.
bring you some?
He did
you
not.
eat them?
He brought me some ribs though.
What did he have to say about the beans?
He said they're delicious. He said that he was gonna bring me some, but he left them out or something like that. You see the enemy? And the AO dropping in? Gotta keep your eyes peeled. Over there.
Sorry. I was over here missing my shot, you know. That's what I'm good at. What are you
You didn't see it? Oh, yeah. Keep it there, bro.
Yeah, got her down, bot.
Oh, yeah.
Got 2 downs, bot.
Nice work.
Yeah,
Nice
2
work.
kills by that.
One's still down there.
Talk about it.
One.
Oh,
Oh, where are you? Where are you?
Hostile down.
they're behind me. Someone from over there.
This way. Frag on the way.
Okay, that's crazy. Yep. Wow. I'm glad I had a teammate help me.
Oh, bro, I'm fighting my own fight, man. Fighting my own fight.
Oh, we found somebody there.
Yeah, let's get this heli.
What's up? With me? Wow, bro. How far away am I? That's crazy.
I think I got someone sniping at me right now.
1 second. I'm on the way.
Well, I'm coming to you.
No. Alright, meet me over here at Pride Rock.
Yeah, I wish I knew where he was.
Right here. Over here at Pride Rock, you see it?
Yeah, I'm on my way.
This is where,
Want me to get in?
this is where Simba.
Homie, you want to get in?
What's that, bamboo? Wow, baboon? That lifted Simba up? This is where it all happened. Wow. Wow, it's right here. You got me something like this. I'm there. Don't tell me I ran out of bullets. Bro, I can't shoot them, bro. When did you jump out, bro? Wow! Wow, bro. No, get off me. I don't need your help anymore. Oh, behind me. Behind me. Recap.
Dude!
What did I tell you? Recap every time. Yeah.
That was perfect, man.
Oh, was it? I'm glad you had fun. No.
I need close air support on this target.
Okay. Looking forward to that Allied precision airstrike. Don't you even think about it. I'm in here.
I need close air support on this target.
Bro, how do you...
I'm taking fire.
Oh, wow. Oh, you like that movement?
Oh shit, behind me.
Behind you? Don't worry about
Behind me. Yo, I wish I could ping.
it. On
I
you.
have no idea where he's at.
Come here, bro, come
He's
here.
a ghost. There he is. Down, dude. Get down.
Guys, I mean, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to run the like button. You know, comment, subscribe if you must. If you will. I'd like it. Hey, you got one up there with you? I got your support. Nice. I definitely got a couple shots in.
Down here and put on some plates.
Yeah, me too. Alright. Can I get that duffel bag? Take this moolah. Oh yeah, you missed. Scissor clubs. Oh, she wasn't shooting at me.
This guy always gets in the way.
Sector 6.
Target right here.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, watch out.
How you doing, Mrs. Wheeze? Should give you a good old solid thumbs up.
Yes, sir. Speaking of thumbs up, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to, turn on those post notifications that we saved today and all the new videos. Same for Weez, but you can stick around over here if you want to. I'm just saying that I wouldn't hold it against you if you did.
Nah, see, y'all should all come over here where the real party's at. Briggs is over there slacking, having technical issues, dropping frames, mic crack, all that. Come over here where the quality's good.
Wow,
Quality's great.
it's crazy.
Content's good. Smash the like button.
Lackluster.
Subscribe.
Lackluster.
You might. Lackluster.
It says you're in here, bro, but I can't see you.
I'm in here. Waiting on you. Mrs. Wheeze wanted to ask, how is her baby mama doing?
Oh, excellent. She's downstairs waiting on me.
Excellent. Downstairs. Little peanut doing good.
Oh, that nugget? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got myself a nugget coming, guys. I'm excited.
Someone else.
Oh, so you
I'm
are
excited for you.
Are you ready?
Is that how you do your edits? You tell yourself to do the edits?
No.
And you go back and change it?
No, that's a new thing.
It's pretty smart.
It is, isn't it?
I mean, you still gotta sit there and watch the gameplay for.
Well, I mean, I don't know about you, but
Alright,
I don't mind watching my gameplay because it is pretty entertaining.
Yeah, I can see that. Alright.
I passed it to you.
Let's head over here to airfield.
Alright.
I'm gonna hit up Peak though one way. You wanna come to Peak?
Alright, let's do it.
Oh wow, you jumping out now.
Yeah, man.
Going up here to tippity top.
I just want.
Oh, yo, got sniped.
You got sniped?
Got sniped.
Oh, really?
Sniped.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, straight out of the air, man.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
someone come get me. Wanna come get me? Two people up here.
I'm just gonna let them fight it out. Yeah, that was all
Yo,
me.
get off the roof.
That was all me.
Dude, I can't wait till you see that gameplay and you realize how much I just carried that.
Doubt it.
You picked me up and I went straight to fucking work.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Where was you at?
I was on my way. Alright.
You was telling. I know where you was. You was telling Briggs to do something. Hey Briggs. Hey Briggs, do this.
Wow. Is that what I call that? Go ahead. Oh shoot, I'm getting sniped. From where? From where? Oh yeah, I see him. Don't even worry about it. You see him?
Ooh! Kill him!
Oh my gosh.
He's dead.
Dude.
He's dead.
Nice.
You're welcome. Hey yo, Briggs, clip that. Clip that.
Briggs. Hey, who's paying you, Briggs?
What do you mean?
No, he's
You
going
want
in.
this-
He's going in the hole. Oh,
Wow.
dude, I know what I'm about to do right now.
Really?
Yeah. Watch this. Alright, let's see.
Dude.
Yes, sir. Dogfight. Call me Maverick.
No fucking way. Yo, come pick me up, man.
Hey, I'm busy right now.
Come pick me up. I don't even want to play this game anymore.
Hey, I'm busy right now.
How? How? Yo, homie, please come pick me up. I got a kill, jumped down to get him, parachute wasn't open, slid down the rocks, and died.
Yeah, I'm dead. No way, man. I'm all the way over here. And this is Wiz. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
I'm taking
No, someone's here. Not like that.
Yep.
Did you win that fight?
Yeah. Oh, did I win the fight? Of course I did. Get over
How
here.
about you come help a brother? Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, it's like that, huh?
Yep, yep.
Hey, let's sit there and let that happen. Love you.
I got.
Alright, love you.
Alright, let's see. Oh man. Yo, Commerce.
That's what you get.
No, it froze on me, bro. It froze on me. I'm gonna
Yeah,
kick.
likely story.
I'm so serious. It's frozen.
Man. Briggs over here playing too much.
Hey, Future Briggs, go ahead and edit this out.
Yo, what's happening? Yo, it just kicked us. Winning, yeah. They kicked us because I saw your Cronus. Your Cronus was showing.
Yeah.
You Audi?
Yeah, I think so. Mighty 5000.
Man. Thanks for y'all tuning in. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.
Yes, sir.
Love y'all.
Miss you already.